In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Google Sheets. First, let's start by opening Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in sheets.google.com. Once you're there, you will see a clean interface showcasing your existing spreadsheets or an option to create a new one. If you want to create a new spreadsheet, simply click on the blank option or select a template that fits your needs. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the data you will be importing. You want to ensure you have the right environment before proceeding. Next, we will click on the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options to choose from. Among these, you will find the Import option. Clicking on Import is essential because it opens the pathway for you to bring in your CSV file. This action signals to Google Sheets that you are ready to add new data, making it important for the next steps in the process. Once you select it, you'll be greeted with a new window that offers various importing options. Now, you will see several tabs at the top of the Import window. Click on the Upload tab. This is where you will be able to bring in files directly from your device. After selecting Upload, look for the Browse button and click it. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. This is an important step because you need to locate your CSV file correctly. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you get closer to importing your data. Next, find your CSV file in the File Explorer. Once you locate it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This action will upload your CSV file into Google Sheets. It is reassuring to know that this step is straightforward. As soon as the file is uploaded, you will be directed back to the import window where you will see your file name confirmed. This confirmation helps you ensure that you are about to work with the right data. From there, you will need to select an import location. You will notice options such as Replace Current Sheet, Insert New Sheet, or Append to Current Sheet. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Selecting the correct import location is essential because it determines where your data will appear in your spreadsheet. This decision can save you time later by keeping your data organized. Now, you will also need to set the separator type. Typically, CSV files are separated by commas, but if you have a different format, you can select that here. This little detail is vital because it ensures your data is divided correctly into cells. A proper separator allows Google Sheets to recognize where one piece of data ends and another begins. This attention to detail makes your data easier to read and work with later on. Lastly, click on the Import Data button. This action will finalize the process, bringing all your data from the CSV file into Google Sheets. As you click it, you will see a loading animation indicating that the import process is underway. Once completed, your data will appear in the spreadsheet. This final step confirms that your import was successful, and you can now manipulate and analyze your data as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a CSV into Google Sheets. Remember, each step is designed to ensure your data is imported correctly and efficiently. Thank you for watching.